Okay, here we go with Code Monkey, Coding Adventure Challenge number 28. So obviously we're going to continue our lessons here in loops. And as this one says, if you want to write code after a loop, delete the tab. So again, to remove the code from the loop and allow it to be independent, we want to remove that tab and bring it up against the left-hand margin. Alright, so let's take a look at this. So right now it says 10 times step 3 and 18-degree angle. So let's just run this and see what's going on here. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit the run. And you're going to notice the monkey's going to go around the half circle and collect all the bananas. So what we're going to do now, we're going to delete this tab in, and then we're going to have the monkey step, looks probably about like 10 to 15. So I'm just going to say step 15. So this is what they're talking about. So if this was tabbed in, that means it's in the loop. When it's up against the left-hand margin, it means it's outside the loop. And we want to keep this outside the loop. So we want it to run all the way to here and then take care of its last 15 steps. So notice as it's going through, it's only going through to step 3 and the turn 18. And then at the end, it steps our last 15 steps. So that's lesson number 28. Next up is lesson 29. Again, we'll continue our loop. It says just 2 little fixes. Alright, so let's see what we have. We have a turtle.step 5, and then we have a step 3, and then we have 2 times. It says turtle.step 10, turn left, and then the last thing says turn left. So let's run this, see what it does here first. So the turtle steps, monkey goes on, steps its 10, turns left, and does it again. So it looks like we need to have this loop increased by 1. So we're going to take it from 2 loops to 3. And then once it turns left there, the monkey's going to turn left. The monkey's going to turn left. And then we're going to need him to step here. So let's say step, let's say maybe 3. I'm not sure yet, but let's take a look at this. So we have all our code. Notice that's the first one. Here goes 2, and there we go. We'll go to 3. There we go. The monkey turns. There we go. Not so bad. Not so bad there. So again, just check your in that one. We just had to increase the number in the loop, and then have the monkey step off to get the banana. All right. Challenge number 30 says, can you see what should be repeated here? Okay. So this is something I like to kind of like you to see like in 2 parts. As you can see up here at the top, it's the same type of thing. The monkey's going to go from the turtle to the banana and back. The turtle's going to move forward. Monkey's going to go to the banana and back. Turtle's going to step forward. Monkey's going to go forward and then back. So this is kind of like one part of the code. And then the second part, which we're going to start off with, is just the monkey stepping like 10 steps here to get to the turtle's back. So let's just check that here real quick. Let's say step, and we'll say step 10. We'll see if that gets to the monkey to the turtle's back. And which is perfect. There we go. All right, now what we're going to be using here, we're going to need to create a loop. And since we're getting 3 bananas, I'm going to have this loop go 3 times. Okay. So once the monkey gets here to the turtle's back, what we're going to do, we're going to take, let's say, 10 steps and then come back 10 steps. So we're going to say step 10, and then we're going to have a step -10 to come back. Okay, that'll bring us back to the turtle. Now all we have to do is determine the number of steps for the turtle to go each time. So let's say turtle.step. So we'll say turtle.step, and we'll say the turtle step is 10. So let's see if this works here right now. And there's our first 10 steps. And now we're going to step 10, back 10. Turtle takes 10 steps. Forward 10, back 10. Turtle takes 10. Forward 10, back 10. Turtle takes 10. And there you go. So that's it there for the challenge number 30. Again, hopefully it doesn't cause too much problem. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Alrighty, best of luck.